Look at him looking all tall and delicious and shit. Damn, I'll do anything for him to notice me.
Drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't 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 drop.
Okay, what the fuck do you want?
Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't drop.
Shit, I think you fine and I want to take you home with me. I got a nice little fish tank for you and everything.
Word on the street is that the fish tank's in your pants.
Fuck you too then.
Are you done yet? As you can see, I'm really trying to play some basketball, so you could please let me be. I'd really appreciate that.
Fine. That's why you suck anyway. Shit, I don't need you. You're gonna regret this. All of it. Wait, are you sure?
Get your nasty Cabbage Patch Kid looking ass out of here. Now.
Ugh, you so mean. Fine then, whatever. Have a nice day. You ain't see that? You ain't see that shit, bitch?
Ugh.